Namaste. Before starting warm up, let us take a few long and deep breaths. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Slowly open your eyes and start. Stand with your legs apart. Start with neck movements. So rotate your neck in clockwise direction 4 times and anti-clockwise direction 4 times. Relax. And then start with shoulder rotations, same way. Clockwise direction 6 times and anti-clockwise direction 6 times. Inhale, relax. Stretch your arms in the front and start opening and closing your fingers. Inhale, open your hand completely. Exhale, close it. And just move your knee back and front. Do it with other leg also. Now rotate your ankle. Just raise your right leg up from the floor and rotate your ankle clockwise direction 6 times and anti-clockwise direction 6 times. Repeat the same with left leg. Relax. Now we are going to start forward and back bending. So do this at least 10 times. Now we are practicing side bending after relaxing for 2 to 3 long and deep breaths. Stand with your legs apart 3 feet and start bending sideways. Your legs stretched out and hands raised to shoulder level. Keep breathing normally throughout the practice. Do this for 10 times on each side. Now take 2 to 3 long and deep breaths and then start with the side twisting. So keep twisting to your right and left. Make sure you twist only your upper part of the body, not the not your knees. So twist from your waist. Keep breathing normally throughout the practice and do this for at least 10 times on each side. Slow down and then stop. And relax. Take 2 to 3 long and deep breaths. Now let us get started with Surya Namaskar. Come front on your mat, stand with your legs together and both your hands joining in Namaskara Mudra in front of your chest. Now inhale, raise your hands over your head and bend back. Do not bend your knees, bend from your waist. Exhale, bend forward, try to place both your palms on either side of your feet. Here also don't bend your knees and try getting your head as close as possible to your knees. Inhale, take your right leg back as possible. Place your right knee down and look up and make sure that you are not protruding your left knee beyond your toes. Let your knee and ankle be in same line. Exhale, take your left leg back and join your left leg with your right leg. Try to press your heels down. Take your head inside. Now go into child pose. Place your knees down and bend forward into your child pose. Inhale, raise into Bhujangasana. Glide forward and raise your head and chest up. Exhale, knees off the floor. Parvatasana again. Now inhale, let your right leg come forward and see that your right knee and right ankle are in same line. Exhale, let your left leg come forward. Inhale, rise up into Ardha Chakrasana. Exhale, Namaste. Now we'll do with names. Namaste, Pranamasana, Ardha Chakrasana, Padahastasana, Ashwasanchalanasan with left leg back. Look up. Parvatasana, Sishuasana, or otherwise here few people do Ashtanga Pranamasana also. Bhujangasana. In Bhujangasana also, if you want, you can rise completely up, straightening your elbows. Parvatasana, Ashwasanchalanasan with your left leg in the front. Padahastasana, Ardha Chakrasana, Pranamasana. Now let us do with breathing. Namaste. Inhale, raise your hands over your head and bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Try to place both your palms on either side of your feet. Inhale, right leg back, look up. Push your hips down and forward. Exhale, mountain pose, Parvatasana. So keep pressing your heels down. Now you can inhale and exhale in child pose, and then as you are inhaling you can move into cobra. Exhale, mountain pose again. Inhale, let your right leg come front. Exhale, left leg front. Inhale, rise up chest back. Exhale, Namaste. Namaste. 2, 3, 4, left leg back. So you observe, one time you are taking our right leg and next time we are taking your left leg lead. Exhale. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 namaste, 2, 3, 4 right leg back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right leg front, 10, 11, 12. And the last round, 1 namaste, 2, 3, 4 left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, left leg front, 10, right leg front, 11 and 12. Relax in Shavasana. Please make sure if you are suffering from back problems and neck problem and you are suffering from high blood pressure and all these conditions, you are not supposed to practice Surya Namaskar. Not only that, if you are just recovered from fever, and then also you should not practice. Just give your body some time. And women during menstruation also should not practice this. Give your body proper rest it needs, and then only try doing this. Please practice only if you are completely healthy. Otherwise, respect your body and lie down in Shavasana for some time. And after that, just get up and we will start other asanas. Sit comfortably, spine straight, and slowly divide your legs 2 feet apart. Now we are going to do Chakki Chalan. Interlock your fingers. As you exhale, bend forward. Try to cross your toes by rotating your arms over your legs. Inhale, lean back. So like this, try to do at least 5 times in clockwise direction and then 5 times in anti-clockwise direction. Make sure that you are keeping your elbows straight throughout the practice. And don't forget to lean back when you are inhaling. After completing 5 rounds in anti-clockwise direction also, just take 2 to 3 long and deep breaths. Relax in Sidhila Dandasana. Legs together. Now we are performing Ardha Titili Asana. Fold your right leg. Place your right foot on left thigh and keep flapping your right thigh. After some time, just keep pressing your thigh down. Hold your left toes with your left hand and try bending forward. And try to go down with your chin. If it is very difficult, you can just hold your toes and stay there with normal breathing. Whatever the pose you choose, just try to stay there for some time. If you cannot reach till toes, you can even hold anywhere on your leg. Slowly come back to center. Straighten your right leg. Fold your left leg. Place your left foot on right thigh. Hold your left foot with your hands and start flapping movements with your left thigh. Spine straight, head in line with spine, eyes closed. slowly start pressing your left thigh down using your left palm. Hold your right toes with your right hand and slowly try to go down with your chin, or you can just hold and stay there. Whatever the final pose you choose to be in, just stay there with normal breathing for about 30 seconds. As you inhale, come back to center. Very good. Straighten both the legs and again relax in Shithila Dandasana, where you keep both your legs a little away from each other and drop your head back. And then we'll be doing Titli Asana, where you join the soles of your feet and get your feet close to you and keep flapping your thighs. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Same rules apply. Spine straight, head in line with spine. If possible, keep your eyes closed throughout the practice. After doing this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, you can press your thighs down using your hands. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Take one more deep breathe in and out. And slowly start walking forward with your hands. Go as far as you can. Do not crunch your head. Go down with your chin. Stay there with normal breathing. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. And slowly come in midway and bend towards your left. Feel your right hip. Bend towards your right. Feel your left hip. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Come back to center. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Take one more deep breathe in and out. When you are straightening your knees from butterfly position, first join your knees and then straighten them to avoid any misalignment of knees. Now we are going to practice Paschimottanasana. Inhale, raise both your hands up completely. Exhale, bend forward. Try to hold your toes with your hands and slowly start going forward. Extend your spine in the forward direction. It's not just bending there itself. You will be extending your spine. That is why this is called as posterior stretch. And hold the pose for 30 seconds. If it is difficult to hold completely down, you can just stay like this, holding your toes or legs. This is also equally effective. Make sure that you are not hunching your back and you are extending your spine. Inhale, raise your hands up along with your trunk. Exhale, get your hands down. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out by placing your palms on your knees. Now take your hands back. Relax in Shithila Dandasana. Let your feet fall sideways. Hands back. Inhale. Relax. Now we are practicing a counter pose for our forward bend. Okay, so this is how we do. Just lift yourself up balancing on your palms and feet. Make sure that your fingers are turned towards your hips, not the other way. If you feel this is a little intense to do, you can bend your knees and do the reverse tabletop posture. So take your legs, fold your legs and divide them shoulder width, and lift yourself up and balance yourself on your feet and on your palms. Don't drop your head here down. In the previous variation, you can drop your head down. In this, just hold your head there. Exhale, down. So whichever pose you choose to do it for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. Now let us practice Vakrasana, where you fold your right leg and place right foot beside left knee. Cross your left hand over your right knee and look back over your right shoulder. Stay there with normal breathing. So as soon as you fold your right leg, you will be taking your right hand behind. Stay there with normal breathing. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute. On a while I will be showing a different easier variations of it. So if you cannot reach till your ankle, you can just place your hand there. If it is difficult to cross your hand, you can always wrap your hand around your knee like this. So choose whichever variation you want to do and hold there for 30 seconds to 1 minute. The same way we are repeating on left side. When you are taking your hand back, please check your hand is not here or there. It should be just a 2 palm distances away from your spine. Hold the pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute. As you inhale, look front. Relax your hands and legs. Now we are going to practice Naukasana. It is the easiest variation of Naukasana, where you just fold your legs and hold under your thighs. If you feel it is very easy, you can leave your hands. If you find that also easy, you can just extend your legs, stretch your legs completely and stay there with normal breathing, and make sure you are not crunching your neck at any point of time. And slowly come back to sitting position after holding for 10 to 30 seconds. Inhale, relax in Shithila Dandasana. Take a deep breathe in and breathe out. Now we'll be practicing pranayama. Inhale, relax. Take 2 to 3 long and deep breaths. Now let us practice Surya Anuloma, or right nostril breathing. So take your left hand and touch the tips of thumb and index finger. Other 3 fingers are stretched out. Place it on your thigh. Right hand, index and middle fingers are folded into your palm. Close left nostril with your ring finger and start inhaling and exhaling from only your right nostril. Keep breathing until you are asked to stop. Let your breaths be very gentle and deep and soft. Slowly, after this round, stop Surya Anuloma Pranayama, the right nostril breathing. Take 2 to 3 long and deep breaths. And then again, close your right nostril with your right thumb. Start inhaling and exhaling from only left nostril. Keep breathing the same way. Use only your left nostril for your breathing. After completing this round, slowly stop your left nostril breathing and breathe normally using both your nostrils, both your hands on your thighs. And start chanting Makara by covering your ears and eyes. So when you are inhaling, your hands will be down on your thighs, and when you are exhaling, you will take your hands up and you will use your thumbs to close your ears and other fingers to cover our eyes. And not only that, when you are exhaling, you will be chanting Makara. So like this, keep chanting. After completing 5 rounds, slowly stop the chanting and stay there with normal breathing. Namaste. Let us chant Shanti Mantra. Om Sarvesham Swastirbhavatu. Sarvesham Shantirbhavatu. Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu. Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Inhale, take your hands back, hold right wrist with left hand, pull your hands down, look up. Exhale, bend forward, bow down to Mother Earth for supporting us. Inhale, come up, rub your palms, cup them on your eyes, breathe normally, and open your eyes looking into your palms. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you on Monday.